WH questions. What? Asking for a specific thing or object. What is this? It's a book. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. When? Asking about time, occasion, moment. When's your birthday? It's in January. When did you arrive? Yesterday. Where? Asking at what place or position. Where is my backpack? It's on the chair. Where is the chair? It is in the classroom. Who? Asking about a person. Who's that woman? She is my teacher. Who's she talking to? Olivia. Why? Asking for a reason, explanation. Why were you late? Sorry, I missed my bus. How? Asking for a way, manner, form. How do you go to school? I take the bus. How many? Asking about quantity. Used with countable nouns. How many books have you got? I've got 3 books. How much? Asking about quantity. Used with uncountable nouns. How much homework have we got? Don't worry. Not much. Which? Asking about choice. Which country would you prefer to live in? Australia. Thank you.